First of all, welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you how to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest without sounding overly promotional. Here are 10 inventive methods to promote your brand on Pinterest without sounding overly promotional. Create captivating infographics or visual guides relating to your products or services of your brand. Share photographs and videos of your brand, staff, and workplace from behind the scenes. Pin photographs and videos of satisfied customers utilizing your products or services. Share motivating quotations or messages pertinent to your brand's goal or beliefs. Create boards that highlight the different applications for your products or services. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Co-create content with influencers, bloggers, and other brands in your field. Share photographs of your products in various surroundings or settings. Emphasize industry-related news and trends that pertain to your business or products. Share brand-related evolutions and testimonials from customers. Create tutorials or do-it-yourself projects demonstrating how your products and services and how it can be utilized. Hope these strategies will assist you in promoting your brand without becoming overly promotional. Thank you for watching my video. Please share your views on how you are promoting your affiliate links.